Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome to this channel. You're welcome to this family. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. Subscribe as well if you haven't subscribed to this channel. And like this video, guys, comment and share. Pretty quick video just to show you guys this Nivea Radiant Face Cream. This is it here. I'm just trying to remove the price tag so it doesn't block what I'm gonna show you guys. So this is it here, the Nivea Radiant Even Day Cream, Even Tone Day Cream with SPF 15. That's why I actually bought this lotion. It has SPF 15. That means you can, I already have SPF I'm using, but using a face cream that I have, you need a pretty amount of SPF to go out during the day. So this 15 cannot do anything, but it will add to the one I already have. I already have SPF 50 or so, 50 or 30. This will add to it as well. So that's why I bought this cream, and it said normal to combination skin. So I like how this some lotion will not even tell you if what their product is, what kind of skin type it fits, because not all product fits all skin type. So if you have normal to combination skin, you can use this face cream. It's a face cream and it's really a nice one, but I've not really used it for long. I think I'm still going to come back and tell you guys about this face cream, because if you watch my last video where I talked about this soap, this was the face cream I was using with this soap. And I wasn't liking I didn't like the effect I was getting. I was getting these two color on my face, so I don't know where it was coming from, because I was using these two at the same time. So I had to stop both of them. Say, you guys, go and stay one place first, let me know what is going on here. So I stopped using that one. But I just want to show you guys, if you're looking for a face cream, just something natural, something that will just glow your skin, you're not looking for too much, this one will go for you. So I think it's made, yeah. So this is a Even Tone Pure Active, Pure Extract and Vitamin C. Works to gradually enhance skin complexion and visibly reduce the appearance of dark marks, while protecting your skin from harmful effects of the sun. That is the SPF 15 it has, plus UVA filters. SPF 15 plus UVA filters protect your skin against dark marks and premature skin ages. I also have some write-ups there. I don't want to go on reading everything, so you can just check it out. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried this product before. How is it on your skin? Is it working? Is it value for the money? Because guys, this lotion is pretty expensive. Yeah, not that expensive compared to the ones that I've reviewed here, like the Innisfree and the Nature. What's the name of that face cream again? Those ones are more expensive, but this is not that expensive compared to those ones. I'll just look at the ingredient list. It has nice and lots of ingredients here. So this is how it is inside. A 50 ml face cream, and this one is made in, that's another thing again, guys. This one is not, I don't think they have Nigerian Nivea, but this one is made in I think I saw where it was made in before. Okay, this one is made in Germany. Yeah, made in Germany. Application: apply daily on clean face, avoiding the eye area. Results on skin: that's the results you get if you're using this face cream, is the appearance of dark marks and spots is reduced, skin tone is more even and complexion improved, skin feels soft and smooth, review visibly more even and radiant skin. So guys, this is very small. It's not that small, it's okay. It's kind of very big, not that big. So I like the packaging. Pretty nice packaging, you know. Very nice and simple. What is going on, guys? I'm just seeing this. Oh my god. All these products, guys, we just have to be careful. What? Look at here. Look at what it says in the pack. Okay, what am I seeing here? Okay, I'm seeing here it says Germany, and I'm seeing here again made in Thailand. So which one is it, made in Germany or Thailand? Guys, are you using this product? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what it is for you. Look, I think this is just maybe like their branch or something. I think it's the branch. I would just say maybe it's the branch of. Why would they put Germany and say made in England and made in Thailand? So here says made in Thailand here. Made in Thailand. Also on the back, I think I see somewhere where they say made in Thailand. Okay, yeah. Made in Thailand. But the address here is Germany. Like, guys, is that adding up? Let me know in the comment section if it's adding up. Because if it's made in Thailand, we should be seeing Thailand address now. Just like this soap I showed you guys before. That is made in Abidjan, and the address there is in Abidjan. I think I've never seen anyone that is having that has Germany address and it's made in Thailand, or maybe I'm mistaking it or mixing it up. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. So guys, this is just the face cream here. It doesn't have any interesting smell, just there. But I like how silky it is, like it's well formulated. So this is it here. Okay, see that? And a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. And it moisturizes your face as well. So just use this on your face. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. So guys, this is all I have for you guys today. Okay. I'm just seeing the same thing again. I think that's Germany might be their head office or something. Yeah, I think so. It's their head office. So, but this one is made in Thailand. Made in Thailand. So it says perfect and radiant even day cream. But I use it at night as well. I use it at night as well. But I think they say day cream just because it has SPF and it can help protect your skin from the harm from sun. But I use it at night as well without issues. Everything is fine. So let me know in the, if you've watched up to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video, because guys, I still have a lot here and I will finish it. I will see to the end of it, yeah, and I'll come back and tell you guys how it's been or how it is, if I will buy it again, because I'm actually looking for a very nice face cream that is not too expensive, that is really nice, and I think this one will do a great job. To do a great one. I saw another one today. I was even thinking it's the same one I have at home, but this is it's different. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.